Struggling to land your very first client online? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how beginners can get clients fast, even with no experience. Hi, I'm Jay, and on this channel, I help beginners start freelancing and earn online. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss tips on how to land your first freelancing client and grow your income. Step 1. Pick one clear service. Clients don't hire generalists. To land your first client online, you need to choose one skill you can confidently offer, like writing, social media management, or graphic design. The clearer your service, the easier it is for clients to trust you. Step 2. Create a simple portfolio. You don't need real clients yet to build a portfolio. Create sample projects, like a blog post, a logo, or a short video, to showcase your skills. This way, when clients check your profile, they can see proof of what you can do, even if you're brand new. Step 3. Start where clients are. To get clients, go where they're already looking for freelancers. That could be platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even Facebook groups and LinkedIn. Share your work, introduce yourself, and apply for beginner-friendly jobs. Consistency here is key. Step 4. Send a winning proposal. When you apply for jobs, don't make it all about you. Instead, show you understand the client's problem and explain how you'll solve it. Keep it short, clear, and client-focused. That's how you stand out and land your first freelancing job. Step 5. Overdeliver. Once you land that first client, your goal is to impress them. Deliver on time, communicate well, and give them your best work. A happy client leads to reviews, referrals, and repeat jobs, which makes getting your next client even easier. So, that's how to land your first client online. Pick one skill, create sample work, go where clients are, send strong proposals, and overdeliver. Comment below and tell me, what service will you offer as a freelancer? I reply to every beginner. And don't miss my next video, 5 mistakes beginners make in freelancing. It'll save you from common errors and help you grow faster. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.